going to Germany. I'm super excited to explore because I've never been there before. Ooh, first meal of the trip with Helga! It's got french fries and like a vegan chicken burger. What'd you get?
Also vegan chicken.
Okay, we got the same thing, and then she got yam fries, got a mojito, and then like this other drink. Everything's in German, so I don't know, but like, we're gonna devour this. I'm now laying in bed. It has been a short day just because I kind of just got here and then we went to have food and then that's it, and now it's already 10:30 because like there's a time change where like I'm an hour forward now. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for bed, take a nap. Well, not a nap, we'll sleep, and then we'll get up early and go travel and look around and explore. So I'm excited. So definitely more to see tomorrow, so I'll see you then. Welcome to the vlog with Helga. Now we're going to Cologne today, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I was like, I can't remember. But it's raining, so we got our umbrellas. So let's go explore. We're gonna go to a French place to eat. I actually totally forgot we're not going just straight there. So we're actually gonna go do that first. This is the place we've come. This is Silabi. I know it's French, not German, but that's okay. But I'll show you when we get our breakfast meal. Here's my breakfast. Here's our breakfast. Anyways, gonna dig in now. We've arrived in Cologne. And yeah, we're now gonna go visit. Oh my god, it's so windy. We're flying away. We're gonna go inside the church now, which is very pretty. Wow, it's so tall. It's so hard to see because of the rain, but it's pretty. And we're gonna walk around the city. So here's the front of it. Wow, that's crazy cool. We're gonna go inside now, so let's do it. Whoa, it's so cool. So many people here. And like the stained glass is just so pretty. This is really cool, but I'm trying to stay quiet because it's a church, you know? But it's really pretty. I'm in there. I'm in there. Okay, we've just left the church. We actually got to do like a little like 15-minute prayer there too, that they asked if like anyone wanted to join, so we decided let's go do that. So we did that, and then we got to see like the back area of the church, and you get to touch like this star that's like, is it made of or filled with?
Filled.
It's filled with like the bones of, I guess, like the three wise men, like the three kings of Jesus. Like it's hard to understand because I don't understand German, and it was all in German, so I touched that. I took a little video that you probably saw there that I inserted of someone else doing it, so you kind of knew what it was. But yeah, so that was really cool. I mean, we'll pass it again because we're in Bonn, but yeah, we'll see what else there is to explore here because there's a lot to do. Now walking towards the Lindor chocolate factory. We're gonna go to the Lindor Chocolate Museum. But on the walk here, it's been like 5 minutes. We've seen 3 weddings already happening, and it's like the most rainy day. But not that they would plan for that, but it is funny. So like, how many more are we gonna see? Yeah. It's about to walk by the water. Is it a river? What is it? Yeah, it's a river. By the river, on the way there. It's the Cologne, as she says, but it's not. And here's the river. Well, that's the river too, I guess. But here's the river with all the bridges. Oh, that's where we're going. Look at the museum. You can see the egg in the window. That's so funny.
That's where the chocolate.
The chocolate. This is the chocolate. Oh, it's actually kind of brown, so chocolate river. Here we are. Okay, weirdly this reminds me of the Empress because it has the same roof and everything. But this is the chocolade apparently. It says that. I thought it's chocolade. And then there's the London Eye. The Cologne Eye. Das Cologne Eye. Let's go inside. I'm so excited. Chocolate. Rub his nose for good luck. We're in the factory. We got the museum. So got our little ticket. I can't understand any of that, but it sounds cool. But yeah, we're gonna go in now. Got our first chocolate at the door when we walked in. So it's gonna be filled with lots of chocolate this day. I'm gonna be on a sugar high. And now we're gonna walk through to learn all about the history and everything. So I'm gonna take you around with me. This is the cocoa tree, I guess. Actually, what are those? This looks like a mango, a papaya tree. Oh yeah, see, this is the cocoa tree. Oh, that's what they look like inside when they're harvested. Which is so weird to me. Oh! How much is this? Oh, 60 to 70 kilograms. That is why I cannot lift it. Here we go. What's your favorite chocolate? Because mine is love chocolate. 100%. Production line. So we're just walking around through like the production and how it works. There's like 8 different machines that they use for the steps, but this one's really cool. So I wanted to show you. So this one, like, I guess it kind of melts it down. There's chocolate. Everything here smells so good. There's so many little production areas. Oh, is there chocolate in there? Oh my god. Oh, it's full. Now we're just going through them all, how it all works. So this one produces 9,000 kilograms of chocolate dough per hour. It smells amazing. Look at that. We got little chocolates. I'm gonna taste test this one. I kind of want to keep this one because it's like, it says the museum thing. Here's the chocolate. So good. 10 out of 10. Press the button and get some. It's cold. So good. We just got handed another chocolate. But they have like all these machines showing us like how it's made now, like the chocolate's poured in the molds and how they like do the molds with the cooling and everything. And, like, this is really cool. Oh my god, that scared me.
That's so cool.
Yeah. This is all made out of chocolate. There's them rotating the soccer balls. What are these ones? Oh, they're little puppies. That's so cute. And then there's like a giant one over there, the heart. That's cool. This one is crazy to me. That one is huge. Like compared to me, that is huge. It's 94 centimeters tall. Literally almost as tall as me. No, it's not. Like 3/4 of me. Like all these cool molds. That's sick. Little motorcycle. I mean, for 600 euros, you can get a little girl with a wolf looking like she wants to be eaten. These are like the old chocolate wrapping in boxes. Definitely some interesting stuff here. It's cool. And then these are like the vending machines. Olden time vending machines of chocolate. This one you could actually do. You can hear those people talking about it, but you could actually put €1 in and you get a little chocolate bar coming from there, but they're out of order right now. We now have left the chocolate. That's okay then. But now, literally right beside it, they have a Ferris wheel. So we're gonna go do that and we can look at all the cool sights from there. Whee! Wow, you can see like the thingy-majiggy over there. Oh, that's just the raindrops, but probably less entertaining. I'll do that. There you go. Wow. It's kind of foggy in here. Oh, wow. Oh, that church over there is crazy too.
Microsoft.
Oh yeah, Microsoft. That building, whoa.
Those are called the crane buildings.
The crane buildings?
Because they look like
They do. I would not want to live on like the edge. I would feel like it would fall. I kind of forget I'm like a little bit scared of heights. So we've now been on our short little Ferris wheel ride. But now we're gonna walk back towards the church. Maybe have a little early dinner or see something else. But I'm not sure yet. We'll figure it out when we get there. Oh my god, the rain is dropped on me. We're good. We're inside now I don't know if it says it, Farna, whatever it's called. But this is like the museum for perfumes. Look at this man. Like smelling them. Here's another beautiful church. It's really nice, this one too. Wait, we can take a little photo, right? Cute.
oh, pretzel tree. Just show it in a hole, right in a hole like trying pretzel.
Pretty basic.
That?
Yeah.
I had to, you know. In German. It's not a good one though.
Oh,
Very dry.
it's very dry. I'll just say that. I rate that a 5 out of 10.
That's fine.
Yeah, good me, but it's like still good. Now we're gonna go.
Drink courage
We're gonna have some
and
beer
eat German food.
and German food, which I'm like nervous for, but excited for. Not that I'm nervous. It's more like I don't like beer, so I'm like gonna be so awkward
Oh yeah,
drinking
you
it.
won't like that one for sure. You have to drink
That's
it.
okay, but I'll force myself. I'll drink it.
Yeah.
Just give me some water on the side and I'll be good. Well, I'll have this on the side. And then
Yeah, I force
let's see how I like the.
myself to drink it as well.
These trees are dropping so much water. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Having the beer. Good. It's not bad actually.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's not bad. I could drink that.
Yeah, well,
It's really light, I know. That's good. It's good. We are here at this place. I don't know how to say that, but it's a brewery. Or is it this place? I don't know. Oh, it's the same thing, I think. Yeah, it's like this huge building. Like this is like the third room that we came into. And there's more back here. But basically we're gonna have some German food and beer here. This is the place we came to brewery, so cheers. So this is the meal.
Spätzle.
It's called what?
Spätzle.
Spätzle. And what's in this? Because I actually don't know. What's this? These are onions, right? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Fried
Crispy onions. Look at this asparagus. Oh, and the potato. Potatoes. What's that? Oil? Thought it was like
Butter.
gravy. Oh, butter. Make it buttery. We're gonna dig in now. They'll be gone in a second. This is my first bite of Spitzel. Oh, get a little bit of onion, green onion there. That's really good.
Yeah,
It's like mac and cheese.
Yeah.
It's really good.
German
But it's like more creamy.
Yeah.
So like. We've now left the brewery, and again, I don't know, where are we going now?
Going to the bridge.
Oh, to the bridge. I'm excited to see that too. We just took a bunch of photos in front of here, which I took them on my disposable, so we'll see how those turn out in the end. Here's the Lock Bridge. There's so many, like literally there's no room where there's not any. That's crazy. And it goes all the way down. 1984? Holy. It's all the way down. Holy. So we were just way over there on the Ferris wheel. And then we have the church. And then there's the Lock Bridge. Everything's pretty close by each other. And then we also have the train we're going after. They're just everywhere and anywhere. It's so cool. We are now leaving Cologne and we're going back home. I don't know why I'm listening. I don't understand. Oh, that's our train? I was like, I don't know what it's saying. It's so frizzy. It's like humid, cold here, if that makes sense. Because it was raining and everything too. So yeah, now we're gonna go home. Come to a little bar. This is where we are. You can't even see it. It's called the Old Jacob. That's where we are. I know it's like far, but anyways, we're gonna get drinks now. We got the red Collins, and then this is the Bangkok Bang. Look at that, the little whatever that is. I don't know. Like a palm leaf. I got it. Excited. Oh, metal straws. Save the turtles. Wait, is yours pasta?
I think it's
It's
bamboo.
wood? Oh, it's bamboo. Ooh.
There you go.
Okay, we're gonna drink. The day is done. Now we go to bed.
Yeah.
So, see you tomorrow.